Hello doers. Today we will see how to move draft to confirm order in Devintelle Confirm Purchase module via Purchase module. So first install this module. So click on Activate button. Go to Purchase module. Create orders. Select vendor and save. Create new, select depot ID and save. Go to quotation, select orders, go to action menu, and you can see here confirm purchase order. Click on this menu and click on confirm purchase order. So you can see here both orders are converted into purchase order. Thank you.